Good morning and good evening. My name is Hae-Chun Choi, Vice President for Research and Dean of Graduate School at Seoul National University. I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all of you participating at the colloquium of One Health in One Environment. I would also like to thank the 6 eminent scholars who participate as the speakers. One Health means a multidisciplinary approach to providing optimal health for all through human-animal ecosystem links. In the 21st century, new problems such as the climate change, urbanization, environmental pollution, globalization, and terrorism have emerged. Especially in recent years, the global epidemic of new infectious diseases caused by increased human-animal contacts, development of telepathic communication, and increased food production and integration has become a big problem. Therefore, scientists recognize that human health is threatened by public health problems caused by changes in the environment and seek to diversify public health personnel to respond to them, while various international organizations form a strategic framework and cooperate closely. To meet these demands of the times, Seoul National University is reorganizing the educational system centered on a single major to nurture convergence talent and create new educational programs that can respond to global problems. I expect that the unique concepts, theories, methodologies, and data of each discipline may be integrated into one to provide more complete answers to the problems. I believe that the colloquium One Health in One Environment, hosted by public health, veterinary, and medical experts, should create a platform for presenting new paradigms for convergence, education, and research through the exchange of ideas and discussions. Once again, I thank you for participating in this colloquium and the organizing committee members for making this colloquium a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Choi. Next, we will have congratulatory and welcome remarks by Dr. Ki-Young Lee, the Dean of Graduate School of Public Health, Seoul National University. Please join me to give him a big hand and silence welcoming noise to Dr. Lee.
Okay. Thank you for introduction, and I'd like to welcome all participants and speakers for this excellent colloquium. And this One Health, I think, is one of the key words, especially after COVID-19. And we have many agenda, but health is very important. And I'm very happy to see that all different fields is working together for One Health. And in my welcome remark, I explained some of this joint program in Seoul National University between School of Public Health and Veterinary Medicine and College of Medicine. Maybe for the international speakers, it's not very special, but actually in Seoul National University, this is a first effort and outcome to work together between colleges. And I think with the topic of One Health, we can actually make a really real interdisciplinary approach for research and education. And I'm sure that we can actually expand to other colleges and other fields. So this year, we have 3 colleges and schools in Seoul National University, Public Health and Veterinary Medicine and Medicine. And after this excellent meeting, probably we can expand this One Health field, including other fields. So maybe in next year, we can have all of you in person in Seoul, excellent place to live and visit. So we can have a meeting next year with the in-person, with a more diverse field. So we can actually make this goal of One Health achieving with a diverse input. Thank you, and again, thank you for all organizers, and welcome all participants. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Thanks again to Vice President Haechun Choi, Dean Ho Jae-han, and Dean Kyung Lee. Okay, great so far. Before start the main session, I have a few housekeeping announcements. Since this is online-based meeting, please keep all the microphone as muted. And if you have a question or comment for the presentation, please leave your message on the chatting board. Due to the time constraint, I'm afraid that we may have very short or no time for Q&A. Please understand this, and I believe audience can use chatting board or email message for a question, comments, or further discussion.